Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio Code in macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Visual Studio Code and just select the first link, and here you will be having download for macOS. Click here and that's it, the download will be getting started. So it is about 222 MB in size. Just be patient till then. So it will be downloaded as a zip file. Just double click and open it. It will get automatically extracted. So after that particular zip file has been extracted, in your downloads you will be having the Visual Studio Code with its icon like this. If you just double click and open it, this will open the Visual Studio application. And that's it, we will be getting our Visual Studio Code interface like this. But if I go to Launchpad and if I search here for Visual Studio Code, I won't be having this because this particular application is only present in our downloads folder. We need to move that into applications also. So for doing that, we can just close this now, and you can just drag this and put it inside applications like this. So now inside applications you are having Visual Studio Code. And if I again go to Launchpad and if I search over here for Visual Studio Code, I'm having it, and if I open it, and now let me just show you how you can open a folder and create a simple HTML file. So just go here to the top, you're having file, right? Click it and select open folder, and I'm just going to my desktop and I'm going to create a new folder, name it HTML, and click on create, and I'll be just opening it. And now here I'm having my HTML folder. Here, yeah, you can just click on yes, I trust the authors. Just click on this new file and we can just name it as new.html. and now if you just press the exclamatory mark, you'll be getting this Emmet abbreviation. Just click on enter, and that's it. By default you'll be getting the boilerplate HTML code. Just add some random text inside the body tag, and I will just save it. So after this you can just go here to the extensions and type live. You'll be getting this live server extension, and you can just install this. After this extension has been installed, just go to your HTML file, and here we will be having the go live option. Click here, and now this particular HTML file will be automatically getting displayed on your browser. So here we are having this random text, right, and that comes from our body tag over here. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.